guys, so we are going to Edmonton today and then we're going to go to Banff tomorrow. So this is my outfit, like I probably showed in my previous video. So yeah, yeah, so we're going to head off now. We'll get there in 2.5 hours ish, and then we're going to go head to the mall. So stay tuned. I'm kind of excited, you know. So guys, we just went to the mall and now we're gonna go to the cinema to watch Annabelle. So I'm gonna leave you guys here whilst I'll go watch the movie. Yeah, and I'll tell you guys. No, we're watching Annabelle. Shut up. No. Annabelle. No. Yes. No. Thank you. What up guys, so it is like 6 o'clock in the morning. We are ready. I had 1 hour of sleep, roughly two, same with him, both getting ready. Anyways, so far I'm like a basic top and jeans and I'm gonna wear this like really long shirt over on top. So I just need to get that ironed and have breakfast, and then we're gonna go head to Jasper and then Banff and then Lake Lewis. So that's the plan. Stay tuned. Right guys, so we just stopped off at a petrol station to fuel up. It's like 7 o'clock now, so we're like an hour behind what we were supposed to be leaving. That makes sense. But yeah, we didn't go to sleep until like 2:30 in the morning, and we're tired. Like I'm really tired. Jyoti, both our head hurts because we haven't been sleeping properly. On top of that, like last night just ticked it off a little bit more, and then tomorrow we're heading to Vancouver, so we're gonna be exhausted, if as you can tell. But we've stopped at a petrol station because we need to get a charger that works in the car. We have the cable, but we need the charger like to put in the car, so they're gonna get that. We need to get drinks and like snacks to keep us awake. But yeah, so we're going to Jasper. It should take us 4.5 hours, and I just saw a bunny rabbit today, so that's fun. We've reached Jasper.
Yay.
Yeah, so we're gonna get like lunch now.
A&W, yeah. A&W.
So we've got the Beyond Burgers, and we've got meal for him, burger on its own for me. We're gonna go to what's it called? Where are we going? What's that called?
Jasper Lake.
No. We just saw Jasper Lake. We're gonna go to
falls. When you get up, falls Aspa or something.
I can't even pronounce that. That falls. You see it? Yeah, we're going there. And yeah, so it's going to take us another half an hour from here. We're just going to eat and go then, right?
Yeah.
छोटा बच्चा नहीं लगता। Guys, we're at Lake Lewis right now. So, this is a lake, wow, with the mountain in the background. It's a bit cloudy, so yeah, I mean, it's amazing. So we've just seen Lake Lewis and now we've got some shots and we're gonna go to, where are we going?
Banff?
Yeah.
Name.
Banff. Banff.
Banff. I don't know.
Anyways, we're going there and it's raining again. Guys, we're at Banff and there's Jyoti. Yeah, so we just went around the town centre and we're gonna get Timmy's and we're gonna head home now. So that's the plan for today.
Yeah. And
we're tired. My back hurts.
yeah.
Yay.
And we are in Banff, whatever
Banff.
is Banff,
Banff.
whatever is
Banff.
we pronounce it.
Okay, have a look at this.
And so guys, we are finishing today's vlog here because
We can't see you.
you can't see me.
We can't see you.
Okay.
Sure. Right guys, so I'm gonna end the vlog here, like Jyoti said, for the day. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this journey. It's a beautiful place to visit, so if you're ever around Calgary and Edmonton, definitely come down the Rocky Islands because the views are insane. Just make sure it's better weather than what we experienced today. But yeah, anyways, until next time, stay with us and keep going. Bye.